Hey, what's up guys? What we are cooking today is chicken breast wrapped with bacon. That's what we're doing today. I'll show you guys the rest of my recipe. Okay, guys, the rest of my recipe, I have onions here, garlic, chana lily sauce, barbecue chicken seasoning, and that's what we're gonna be using for this chicken breast wrapped with bacon. Just going to slice my onion here. Then we're going to slice our garlic. Now what we're going to do next are chicken breast. Just slice it in the middle. Just like that. The reason for this is because we're going to stuff our garlic and onion inside. So you don't cut it all the way through. Next we're going to add our barbecue chicken seasoning, then soy sauce. You have to cut open your chicken breast so your seasoning will go in the middle of it too. Now we're going to put some garlic, onions, the bacon. Just be patient, it's a little bit hard, but there we go. Alright guys, I have the oven here set for 375 Fahrenheit and I'm going to put this for 40 minutes. And that's it, and we'll wait in 40 minutes. Right guys, we have 1 minute left with our chicken breast wrapped with bacon. Just about to go off. Yeah, if you guys, you know, this chicken breast wrapped with bacon with garlic and onions is really good and very easy to make. So if you guys have a chance to make it, don't be shy. Make it. It's really good. Alright, the buzzer just went off. Check this out. Check that out, guys. Chicken breast wrapped with bacon. Alright guys, you see how I made my chicken breast wrapped with bacon. It's very easy to make and it's really good. So it's the moment of truth. We're going to try our chicken breast wrapped with bacon. There you go. Can't beat that. It's so good. So anyway, now you see how I made my chicken breast, and there's more cooking to come. Way more cooking to come. So if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, Dino the Filipino Vloggers, and I will be glad to help you guys do some recipe for my own cooking. You know, if you like the way I'm doing it, subscribe to my channel because you can learn, and it's always tastes good my cooking because I'm trying different things. And you know how I learn how to do my cooking, because this one here I tried it 3 times until I get it right, and then I will share it with you guys what I do with my cooking, because just the way it is, like, you know, just keep trying. The more you try, the more you learn, the more you know how to bake or cook, because sometimes too I do some baking, and you know, I haven't been baking for a while, but yes, I do bake too. Make some dessert, make some cookies, make some bread, anything that I make. Thanks again guys for watching to my channel, Dino the Filipino Vlogger. Thanks for watching. Bye.